TeamPassword's one-time secret feature lets you share credentials and other secrets in an encrypted link that self-destructs after it is opened or after 24 hours. Here's how to use it. If you're on an enterprise plan and you don't see this share button next to edit, you or a team admin needs to enable it in the team settings. Click your email in the top right. Click the name of your organization. On the left-hand side, find one-time secret. Toggle this on and click Save Changes. Back at your home dashboard, click the Share button. You have two options. Either send the recipient this link through a convenient channel such as a Slack message, or enter their email here. Keep in mind that this link is only available for 24 hours or until the first time it's opened. Let's take a look at what the recipient will see when you send them this link. So here's what the recipient will see the first time they open that link, but if they try to open it a second time or after that 24 hours has passed, they'll see an invalid or expired link message.